CFD trading is trap for most retail traders. What if I told you that your broker or prop firm is trading against you? What if I told you that 80% of CFD traders lose money in the long run? Today we are exposing hidden dangers of CFD trading and why serious traders prefer futures, options and spot trading instead. Stay tuned and you don't want to miss this. Welcome to the channel, guys. If you are serious about crypto trading prop firms, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my latest insights. Today we are diving into the dark side of CFD trading, a world where brokers can manipulate data, trade against you and make money when you lose. If you are trading CFDs, you need to hear this. CFD stands basically for contract for difference, a trading instrument where you don't actually own the asset. Instead, you are betting on price movements and your broker is the counterparty to your trade. You don't own the real asset, it's just a synthetic contract. Your broker or prop firm profits when you lose, and they are not routing your trades to the real market. This is very important. You are not trading on the real market. No real market participation, and trades are executed internally within the broker's system. With futures, options or spot trading, you actually participate in the real financial market with the real buyers and sellers. Basically, the brokers are divided into two categories. First is A-book broker and second is B-book broker. But what's the difference? A-book brokers are legitimate brokers who send trades to the real market. They make money from commissions and spreads. And then there are B-book brokers. These brokers don't send trades to the real market. Instead, they take other side of your trade, meaning they profit when you lose. Most CFD brokers are B-book brokers. They have every incentive to see you fail because your losses are their profits. CFD brokers have multiple ways to manipulate traders and increase their own profits. For example, by widening spreads, they artificially increasing spreads so you get stopped out quicker. Second one, slippage, they delaying order execution so you get worse exit and entry prices. They also manipulate market data, fake price spikes that doesn't exist on real exchanges. They also trading against you. Since they are counterparty, they can adjust liquidity to make you lose. Some CFD brokers even offer 100% commission to affiliates. That means when a new trader deposits $500 to the broker gives the affiliate 500% commission. Ask any professional trader and they will tell you that CFDs are for retail beginner traders. Serious traders focus on futures trading, trading on the real market liquidity with institutional players, or trading options with advanced risk management strategies, or trading on spot where you can directly own the asset. CFDs are designed for short-term speculation, not long-term success. Over 80% of CFD traders lose money in the long run. This is why you can see CFD trading mainly on social media. You definitely see in those Instagram trading gurus showing off easy profits from CFD trading. Here is what they are not telling you. Fake profit. They show winning trades, but they don't show losing trades. Affiliate scams. Many gurus earn money referring you to shady brokers who profit when you lose. Also, overhyped leverage. Brokers push high leverage up to 500x to get traders liquidated quickly. And the reality is that most of these trading influencers don't even trade. They make money from selling courses and broker referrals while you take the risk. So should you ever trade CFDs? While CFDs can be useful for some traders, here is when they might make sense. Short-term scalping, if spreads and execution are tight. Hedging against other positions if liquidity allows it. Testing strategies with small capital without committing real assets. But for long-term traders, futures, options or spot markets are always a better choice. So now you know the truth about CFD trading. Brokers are not your friends, and CFD trading is designed for retail traders to lose. If you want to trade seriously, focus on futures, options, or spot trading where the real market exists. What's your experience with CFD brokers or prop firms? Drop your comment below, I would love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.